let's say you are going on a road trip and the big brother says that he wants to eat at Haldiram's, but the small brother says that he wants to eat at McDonald's. But who's gonna make the ultimate decision? Who's gonna join everything together? The conjunction. Okay. For example, here Virat Kohli likes chole bhature. It stands by itself. Virat Kohli is what? Subject. Likes is the verb. Hello students, welcome. And today we will discuss kinds of sentences. So what is a sentence first? A sentence is a statement that contains a subject, a verb and a clause. Okay? Now let's look at clauses first. Independent clause and dependent clause. What is an independent clause? An independent clause contains a subject plus verb plus complete thought. Basically, an independent clause is a clause that can stand by itself. It's like a bun without the patty. So a bun, you will love the taste of a bun with or without the patty itself. So it's like this. It's like what? A bun, an independent clause. Now the example is I watched a movie last year. I is the subject here, watched is the verb, and the thought is the a movie last year. Okay. Dependent clauses. A dependent clause is a clause that cannot stand by itself. It needs someone. Just like a child needs his or her parents to walk when he or she is a toddler. Okay. So the example is after I watched a movie last year. So after, okay, this is an incomplete sentence, right? After I watched a movie last year, does it make any sense? It needs another sentence to complete itself. So, what should be the complete sentence? Please write down on the comments below. Okay. Now, let's look at the types of sentences. There are four types of sentences: simple sentence, compound sentence, complex, and compound complex. The first one is simple sentence. Simple sentence has one independent clause. It can stand by itself. It does not need anyone else. So what is this? For example, here Virat Kohli likes chole bhature. It stands by itself. Virat Kohli is what? Subject. Likes is the verb, and chole bhature is the what clause itself. Compound sentence has two independent clauses joined by a conjunction. Adverb semicolon has two independent. Let's say there are two kids aged 10 and 12. They can walk by themselves, right? They are independent, but they are what? Indisciplined also. So you need someone to join them. So what the parent holds them? One kid on one hand, other kid on other hand. Okay, so the conjunction is what? The parent itself. For example, here Virat Kohli likes chole bhature. This is an independent sentence. Rohit Sharma loves vada pav is another independent sentence. But is what? The conjunction. It connects both the sentences. So provides the body is the parent of the independent sentences. Complex sentence. Complex sentences are sentences which have one dependent clause joined to an independent clause by conjunction. One independent clause like a big brother and one dependent clause by a small brother. Okay, joined by a conjunction parents. So let's say you are going on a road trip and the big brother says that he wants to eat at Haldiram's, but the small brother says that he wants to eat at McDonald's. So who is the but who's gonna make the ultimate decision? Who's gonna join everything together? The conjunction. Okay, right? The conjunction is like the parent itself. If he or she says that no McDonald's, no Haldirams, we will go to what, a normal dhaba or a normal restaurant. So he is the big boss. Okay. So although Virat likes chole bhature, Rohit loves vada pav. Although is the conjunction here. Okay. Now let's move on to the last one. Compound complex sentences has two independent clauses joined to one or more dependent clause. Okay. So in compound complex sentences we have two independent clauses. Two kids who are very naughty and two kids who need parents. So this is a dysfunctional family of five. Two independent clauses, one or more dependent clause joined by a conjunction. Example: Virat likes chole bhature, but Rohit loves vada pav because their taste buds are different. Because is the connector, it's the conjunction because it connects both the sentences and gives it a meaning. Okay, so these are the types of sentences. I have often seen students struggling with basic English. That's why I made a video on how to tackle basic English, which includes prepositions, adverbs, tenses, and subject verb agreement. I hope you see all the videos, and if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button